the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all my dear students. Standard 5, Subject Computer Theory, Topic Formatting in MS PowerPoint, Part 1. Children, in last lesson we have learned adding object in MS PowerPoint. In this lesson we are going to learn formatting in MS PowerPoint. So let us start. Our first topic is changing slide layout. Just like we have a different title screen and different content screen, there are many more slide layouts. We can arrange and reorder the information on slide using the 9 different slides. As you can see, children, in left hand side picture. So let us see the steps. First, open the presentation. Second, go to the slides whose layout we want to choose. Third, on the home tab from the slide group, click the drop down arrow below the layout icon. Fourth, select the required slide layout. And fifth, rearrange the content based on the new slides layout. So children, from left hand side you can choose any one. Second, applying themes. Children, themes like party theme, anniversary theme, wedding theme. Similarly, you can choose the theme in MS PowerPoint also. A theme is a collection of visually appealing design elements that we can apply to the slide in a presentation. A theme has 4 basic components, which are colors, fonts, background, slide, styles, and design effects. So let's see the steps how to apply a theme in a presentation. First one, click the design tab. Second, from the themes group, click the more arrow to open the themes gallery. As you can see, children, in left hand side there are the themes as we click on the design tab. Now third step, select the theme. It will be applied to the presentation. So this way, children, you can apply a theme to your presentation. Now children, MS PowerPoint allow us to change the color scheme and fonts separately too. So how to do that? Let us see the steps. Click the design tab. From the themes group, click the color icon. A list of color scheme variants is displayed. As you can see the left hand side picture, so many options we are having in this. Select the required color scheme for the presentation. A new color scheme is applied to the existing theme of the presentation. So children, from here you can choose any one and that will be applied. So this way you can choose the color scheme also. Let us see next topic. Changing background style. This option is also we are having in presentation. However, we may want the same theme with a different background color than the one available. Each theme provides us with different background style which we can apply to our presentation. Now, how to apply a background style? Let us see the steps. First one, click the design tab. Second, from the background group, click the background style icon. Third, choose a style from the gallery. See it apply to presentation. See children, left hand side picture you can see. You can choose any one background style and you can apply it. We can also apply custom background fill colors. For that, you have to go to the background style drop down list. This dialog box will come. Select the required option and click the close button. This way, the background is applied to the selected slide. So children, for part 1 only this much. Next time we will learn something new. Bye. Thank you. Take care.